Hi everyone and welcome back. In this lecture, I will show you how to find duplicate records in a table. So here I use this CMP table. In this CMP table having employees ID information along with their names. So in this name column having some kind of duplicates. Now I want to identify that particular duplicates record. Here I will use simple query. So I use select. After that I will provide wherever duplicates exist, I will provide that particular column name. After that I use count star. This will provide how many records exist as duplicate value. It will provide that particular count. So this particular count star I will provide alias names as duplicate number of duplicates. Okay, number of duplicates. Okay, from emp. Then I will provide group by. In this group by provide name having count star greater than 1. Okay, so just pin this result sheet, then I execute this query. See, Raz appeared 2 times, Ravi appeared 2 times. So here these two names are duplicates. Okay, so now let's understand this query, how exactly this query works internally. So this is actual my table data, right? So in this table data, first it scan entire this table data. After that it will provide this data to this group by. So what exactly this group by will do? So it will group these names. Okay, so here it will present different times, even that particular names appear in single time along with count. Okay, so this way this particular group by produce the result set. After that, what conditions we are providing here? Having count greater than 1. It means it check these conditions. Okay, first it check this condition Raj. So having count greater than 1. So Raj appeared 2 times, right? So this particular record satisfy this condition. So that's why this particular record appear in the result set. Okay, then again check this condition with next record. So this one also satisfied. Why? Because Ravi and count is greater than 1, right? So 2 is always greater than 1. So that's why this record also appear in the result set. Then it check this condition. So here Anu appear only 1 time, right? So this particular condition is not satisfied. Why? Because 1 is not greater than 1, right? So that's why this particular record get ignored, remaining these 2 records displayed in the output. Okay, so this way exactly this particular query works. Okay, so if you have any doubts, let's cross check that one also. I will add one more record into this particular table. So double click, go to data. So now I will add one more record. So I will provide this ID as 6. Then I will provide same name. Okay, just cross check purpose whether our query is working perfectly or not. We need to check that one. Now if I execute this one, see Anu also appear now 2 times, remaining records also appear in 2 times. So this way we can easily identify number of duplicates records in a table. Okay, so if you have any queries, please post your queries into question and answer sections. I will provide update on those particular queries. So if you are first time user, please like, share and subscribe the channel. So that's it guys. Thank you.